Hey everybody, so today I had to finish a project that I started yesterday. I started to paint a wall in my living room and put the wrong color on the wall. So I had to go back and correct my mistake. So you see here, I've already started to prime the wall. The wall was blue. We tried to turn it a light blue, but it turned gray. So we had to come back and do a primer, a heavy primer on the wall. That's what we're doing. You see me starting to prepare, cleaning things off, making sure things wipe down. There's no dust, things like that. We're getting our drop cloth ready so that we can be clean and neat and as professional as possible. Yes, we are doing it the Miss Make It way. This is how I do it. This is what I love to do. I love to paint. I should have been a painter, but you know, who knows. But anyway, you see me put down a drop cloth because I don't want to get any paint on my floors. I want to keep it neat. I want to keep it clean. Yesterday I talked to you about keeping it clean and hiring professionals to do your job, and how sometimes they just don't take the time out to cover things up and to make sure that they protect your property. So sometimes you have to make the decision to just do it yourself. So that's what you see me doing here today. Now I'm putting on my roller, making sure it's secure. I'm going to take it over to the sink. I'm going to just wipe it a little bit with some water. That helps get the dust off of the roll, so that you don't have any of the gnat or any fibers in your paint when you start to roll. Just a little dampness. You don't want to soak it. And now I'm putting my paint on the wall. I am priming and diming. Yes, I am. I like to go in a W formation because it helps keep streaks from coming in the wall. So now I have a dilemma. I got to get the TV off the wall. Yes, I got someone to help me get it off the wall. So it's back on the wall. I'm finishing up. I'm moving fast. Y'all know I speeded up the camera, right? Yeah. But actually, it took me a little over 2 hours because I took some breaks, talked to my daughters, and took some food breaks and things like that. So it took me about 2 hours to do this. And yeah, right here you see me doing some little finishing touches, going around the edges. I didn't use any blue tape because, hey, I'm Miss Make It, okay? So I'm really good with that. I like to take my time, go around edges like that, and try to make it as neat as possible. I am not a professional painter, but I think I am. But anyway, you see me just finishing up some edges, cleaning up. Now this is only the first coat, so if you see some streaks or highlights, that's because it's still wet and dry and drying in some areas. Once it fully dries, it will be one solid color. And just keep watching the video and you'll see it start to come together. Here we are right here. We are finished with the first coat. It is done. It's done. We put the TV back up because we need to watch TV tonight, okay? We'll start over again tomorrow. It's all good. I think it came out pretty good. Don't worry about the top part edging because we're having crown molding put in, so you won't even see that part up there. But what do y'all think? How do y'all think it came out? I think it came out good, okay? Yes. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the live. I will come live today, but it won't be until a little later because I need to clean up. Thank you for watching the video, y'all. Miss Make It coming at ya.